the leaf. Oh, talking to Dada.
Hi, Alan. Recording.
We are going to the park to do our Hmong weird thingy. Yeah, this is our cousin, I believe. Yeah, this is Alan. I think my mom is in the back.
Yeah. Hi, teacher.
I don't know if you can see this though, but
You need my camera. Alan, go.
Macy, we're circling already.
Oh, we are good. Perfect.
That's a little.
Dear Alan, do you want to we walk around.
Yeah, you know afterwards you get a gift. It's called blood over the shirt. That's me.
Oh, really?
That's why you have to don't get lost. Go on. Get lost. Just roll too many times. So be careful.
How you guys out today?
You know, you guys turn back. This is Michelle.
Wait, but Daddy is not even walking.
I know, Daddy, get off. Wait, isn't Daddy supposed to walk? I think Daddy's going.
Stop it. It's not me. It's not me, it's Michelle.
Alan. Are you done? No, I don't think so. Keep going, keep going.
So bad. Chicken dog.
Hi. Hi, did you guys?
No.
You guys are idiots.
Head under Zuni. It's low
Decent. 10. The chicken. Decent to growing. I think she's our cat.
person is late. Not yet. He still has to throw the chicken.
Yeah, where's the... Yeah, the chicken's still there, see?
The chicken's still there.
My hand. So he doesn't throw it over.
He just throw it over us.
He does?
What happened?
Where's? Over there.
I don't know. It depends. Because sometimes he throws it at a bad angle and it doesn't go over. It goes size. I know.
Here it comes. They are scared.
Show me again. Open your mouth. No, it's not.
Why are you guys scared?
Oh, please not right here. Right here. Thank you.
Chicken fly.
You can
Yeah, he's gonna throw it. He's gonna throw it. Circling, circling.
Oh, nó chừng chiếc chia.
No! What? No, how'd it go? We're to the side. We're good. Okay, we are cool.
So we go back home? Yes. Alrighty. We are going home.
I'm ready home. We're done. And we're gonna go inside the car and going home. Mom and Daddy's over there.